Watch a roller coaster crest the first hill. It creeps to the very top, hangs there for a heartbeat, then plunges, screaming, faster than at any other point on the ride. Yet nothing pushed it down that drop. The engine let go long ago. All that speed was somehow already waiting at the top of the hill, and where it comes from goes further than you'd think. So think about what the coaster actually carries at the top and what it carries at the bottom. At the top, barely moving, it holds what physicists call potential energy, stored energy, banked simply by being high up. At the bottom, it has almost no height left, but it is flying, and that energy of motion has a name too, kinetic energy. So the drop is a trade. Height becomes speed, potential energy pours into kinetic energy, and the taller the hill, the faster the bottom. But watch the numbers closely, and something remarkable turns up. Add the two together, the stored energy and the motion energy, and at every single point on the track, the total comes out the same. As one falls, the other rises to match it, penny for penny. That is conservation of energy. Energy is never created and never destroyed. It only changes form, pouring from one kind into another, while the grand total holds perfectly steady. The climb back up spends kinetic energy to rebuild height, which is exactly why no hill after the first can ever be taller. The coaster cannot buy back more than it started with. Push a little further and ask what actually does the moving of energy from one place to another. The answer is work, a force, pushing something along a distance. Work equals force times distance, and every bit of work simply carries energy out of one account and into another. Energy wears many faces: motion, height, heat, light, chemical, electrical, and work trades between them. But there is a catch, friction, and drag skim a little into heat at every turn, and heat is the one form that never fully comes back, which is why a real coaster always coasts to a stop. From a coaster trading height for speed to work quietly moving energy among its many forms, nothing is ever used up. Energy only changes hands, the ledger always balances, and slowly, everything drifts toward warmth.